Good night, everyone. Good night, my YouTube followers. Good night. Okay, I'm gonna do this cute chicken. I've already washed. As you can see, I did the blended seasoning and they are on the chicken ready. I'm gonna now put some jack seasoning onto the chicken. This is all the seasoning that I use. Just the natural scallion, onion, garlic and ginger. Now I am adding some dried jack seasoning onto the chicken. You have to put enough for taste, right? Can't be too fresh. So you have to add enough chicken onto the enough spices onto the chicken. I will not use my bare hands to marinate the chicken because at the end of the day, the seasoning that you use will eventually damage your fingernails, right? So I always put my hand in a clean plastic bag to ensure that to protect my fingernails, right? So I marinate, I rub the seasoning into the chicken thoroughly so that all the pieces can be seasoned, well seasoned. Guys, this is the chicken. Very soon I will get the equipment that I need for my vlogging, but right now this is the seasoned chicken. I'm gonna put it down a little for marinating, then I will begin to fry. So I will be preparing brown stewed chicken or brown stew chicken. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Guys, I'm asking kindly if you could like, share and subscribe my video. I'm new and very soon I'll be uploading a lot of videos, edifying videos, so that you can be edified.